Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2015 Nissan Altima alternator. Park the car on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and let the engine cool. You'll remove the serpentine belt, unbolt the alternator, swap the wiring, and reinstall everything, testing the charge with a multimeter. I will walk you through tools, torque specs, and safety tips so you can finish confidently. Follow along step by step and pause when needed. Before starting, make sure you have a clear workspace and all parts laid out. Remove any engine covers to access the drive belt and alternator mounting points. I will explain belt tension release, connector removal, and the correct bolt order to avoid alignment issues. Keep a magnetic tray for hardware and take phone photos of wiring for reference. Work calmly and double-check each connection before reassembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping, and it saves time after greasy hands in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want to laugh, it never complains about oil stains. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening the belt tensioner and sliding the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley. Unplug the electrical connector, remove the main power nut, and unbolt the alternator from its bracket. Position the new alternator, hand start bolts, then torque to manufacturer specs, and reconnect the wiring with dielectric grease. Refit the belt and verify correct tension, then reconnect the battery and start the engine to measure charging voltage with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.